Hi friends, welcome back for another video. Today, learn how to make restaurant-style chili chicken, which is one of the most popular Indo-Chinese style chicken appetizer or starter. So, without wasting time, let's get started. Take 350 grams of boneless chicken. Mix together the chicken, egg, corn flour, ginger and garlic paste, turmeric and chili powder, 1 teaspoon maida, and enough water so that the chicken pieces are coated with the batter. Leave this for about 30 minutes. Heat oil in a wok or pan and deep fry the chicken pieces over high heat to begin with, and then lower the flame. Fry until the chicken is cooked through. Drain on absorbent paper. For the chili sauce, prepare by blending 6 Kashmiri red chillies with oil and adding little water. Cut 2 large onions, 1 large capsicum and 1 tomato in 3 seam squares. Chop keep aside. Chop ginger and garlic finely, and cut green chilies and spring onions and keep ready. Heat 2 tbsps oil in the pan on a high flame. Add the chopped garlic and fry for a minute. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, then please do so by clicking the subscribe button. It's completely free. Then add the chopped ginger and saute for a while. Add onions and fry until they turn slightly tender. Now, add the chopped capsicum and tomato and saute for another 1 minute. Next, add the 3 tablespoons chili sauce prepared earlier. One tablespoon soya sauce and 3 tablespoons tomato ketchup and mix well. Add a little water from chicken marination to make more gravy. If the gravy is watery, you can add 1 teaspoon of corn flour to make it thick. Check for the taste and salt. Here, I'm adding 1 teaspoon of Maggi taste maker, which is optional. Finally, add the fried chicken and toss on high flame till it looks dry and yummy. saute for a minute. Serve hot, garnished with the green chillies. Serve chili chicken, hot as an appetizer. Hope you have enjoyed this video. Do like and share with your family and friends. And don't forget to subscribe the channel for more exciting recipes uploaded every week. Thank you for watching.